Good evening. Welcome to Bruce's Box Breaks. Tonight we're doing a box of 13-14 Dominion Hockey. Here's our list of winners and their respective teams. I want to thank everybody for jumping in and picking up teams. It is appreciated. Here's our break number is 241. And our serial number is 0953. So, and the serial number oh 0953. Okay. We are in the second intermission of the hockey game, Bruins Devils. We're also live on Breakers TV / Bruce's Box Breaks. And after the game ends tonight, we will be doing a 15-box case of limited, 12-13 limited. So here's our pack. Oh, forgot. Here's our time. 21:46, and that's good old Nova Scotia time. Thank you very much. Tomorrow night we've got a 5-box case of Black Diamond. Hopefully you can get in on that. Okay, we're going to start off with Henrik Zetterberg for the Detroit Red Wings. Next, we're going to the Ducks. 97 rather, out of 99. Nice gold patch. Auto. Rookie also. And that was Rickard Rakell. My bad, we've got a... Ooh, sweet. Who's got that? Well, some nice cards here. I'm just messing them around here. 15 out of 25. We got a Mammoth prawn jersey. Going out to Nicholas Backstrom. And the Capitals, that's D. Hurley, 25. I'm jumping around cards here because of something. You're going to like to see it. Someone is. This one, numbered 1 of 199. And we got Jamie Olechek for the Dallas Stars. I'll show you the redemption. Jonas Brodin, card number 164, rookie auto patch. Is that, I believe that's the Ducks, but I wouldn't say for sure. I'll double check it. Now, this guy I believe is out hurt. For the Calgary Flames and Rhino 13-13-13, we have got a printing plate. And it's a 1 of 1, of course. Mike Camilleri. 1 of 1. Uno a uno. So there you have it, folks. Thank you very much. Again, I'll look for you tomorrow night for the 5-box Black Diamond. Okay, thank you. Good night. Happy bidding.